Today, we're making something simple and comforting. Sated edamame. The ingredients are very simple. Just 250 grams of fresh edamame and 40 grams of salt. Nothing extra, nothing complicated. Let's start by trimming the ends of the edamame. Cut off both sides, slowly and carefully. This small step helps the beans absorb the seasoning more evenly later. Almost there now. Just a few more beans left. Take your time. There's no rush. Place the edamame into a colander. This makes washing and draining easier. Everything has its place. Rinse the edamame under running water. Use your hands gently. Let the water carry away any dust or residue. Now, add 20 grams salt to the edamame. Rub them together slowly with a little pressure. The salt helps remove the fine fuzz on the surface and brings out the natural aroma of the beans. Prepare a large pot with a lid. For 250 grams of edamame, about 1 liter of water works well. Heat the prepared water until it reaches a gentle boil. This usually takes just a few minutes, so take your time. Gently add the edamame into the boiling water. Stir lightly, just to separate them. When the water comes back to a boil, lower the heat. Once the water returns to a boil, add the remaining 20 grams of salt, give it a gentle stir, and let the salt dissolve evenly. Let them cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Stir occasionally and watch the color change slowly. Once the time is up, turn off the heat. Take the edamame out immediately. The sooner, the better. This keeps them fresh, tender, and clean in texture. Thank you for watching, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. See you next time.